It is now a second day, and as you can see, I have successfully removed the inner door skin or panel from the driver's side back door. And right now I'm going to saw a hole somewhere here to get access to the door locking mechanism to unlock this door. As you can see, this is the door that I successfully unlocked already. And as you can see, this hole here is a little bit too high for me to comfortably insert a screwdriver. Now it's almost fine, but a little bit too high. Now I am going to show where exactly to make that hole, the sort of new hole here. Well, you have to get access to this here to lift it up like this. Alright, I cannot do it right now by one hand, but you'll know. I have now made a cross here, and this is the place that I'm going to saw a hole with this piece. It's 22mm hole saw. It goes like this. If someone wants an exact measurement or whatever of this cross, center of this cross, then it is 3 centimeters from the center of this clip hole. Just don't make this hole bigger like I did with this other door, because this hole holds this clip here, and this is for inner door skin. Alright, I've made some corrections. If I'll see my old hole here, the old one was a little bit too high, and of course I mistakenly did first hole here, and now my clip here won't hold. Alright, I'll get back if I have made this hole here. Now I have successfully solve this hole here, which left this metal, and we can see that this hole is exactly where it should be. Maybe it could have been a little bit higher, but it doesn't matter much. And you can see that here I have exactly the same issue as the other door. If I push the door handle, then this plastic part moves. This metallic part does not. It means that this lock is also in this safe state, and it stays in this safe state. Maybe there is some other ways to open it. Maybe to have this electric motor to connect it to some kind of power source directly, or some other way. I don't know. I decided to open it like I did before, with the screwdriver, like this, pushing this metallic part here, and the lock should open when I pull the door handle cable. This after I have pulled this metallic part. Alright, let's try and see if I can get it open. Well, I managed to open this deadlocked door. I did it you didn't saw the exact moment because my memory card on this camera got full, and now I took new one, and I showed that this door, I could open this door with this method. Alright, now I'm going to take out the lock mechanism, and maybe it's better to see from here what's going on with this lock. You see, only the white plastic part moves, but it should move with the metallic part. This here. But because it is in safe state, it doesn't move. Okay. I thought that maybe this safe state is to prevent someone from picking or opening the door lock with some kind of tools, like from here, or you could get pretty close from the inside, but I still don't think that's going to be easy to open this lock from this state. I mean this safe state. You could get pretty close to it, but to open this lock, I don't think that it's going to be easy. I screwed out all the screws here. Now we can see that this lock is also in this safe state. Same thing. I took this grommet from here, and it fits right in this hole that I did.